So hello students, so in this video we will be studying about leasing, what is leasing and what are the features of leasing. So first we will study what is the meaning of leasing. Okay, so here what says leasing, it is a process, okay, by which a firm can obtain the possession and use of an assets or equipments for which it must make periodic payment, that is lease rentals to the owner of the assets. So leasing, what is it, is one kind of a process. Okay, leasing, it is one kind of process by which a firm, okay, by which firm can take the lease of can take the lease means possessions, use of an assets or equipments. Okay, he can use these assets or equipments for a certain period of time, to the certain period of time, and he make payments to the owner of the assets. Okay, that is called as leasing. Okay, here what one more meaning, a lease can be defined as transactions, okay, in which there will be a lesser. Okay, in leasing there are two, that is two parties will be there, lesser and lessee. Lesser means owner of the assets or equipments, and lesser means who take these assets and equipments for a certain period of time. Okay, lesser means owner, lessee means who use his assets and equipments. Okay, you see a lease, sorry. Okay, next, a lease may be defined as a transactions in which a lesser is the owner of that assets and equipments. He provides his assets for the use to the lessee for a certain agreed period of time. Okay, for that this lessor will pay some consideration in the form of lease rental. Consideration means he may make amount in form of lease rental. Okay, a lease means it is one kind of transaction in which lesser means the owner of the assets and equipments, he provides his assets and equipments to the lessee for a certain agreed period of time. It may be for 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, or 10 years or 20 years, for considerations in form of lease rental. Okay, suppose if the at the end of the lease period, suppose if the contract has been finished, at the end the lease period, the assets and equipments hand over back to the lessor unless the contract is renewed. At the end, if the contract has been over, afterward that the lessee, what he does, he hand over all whatever he has used the lessor's assets and equipments, he will hand over to the lessor at the end of the period. That is called as leasing. Next, there is a definition. According to Van Horn, lease is a contract. Okay, it is one kind of a contract where the owner of the asset means lessor, means owner of the assets here is lessor. He grants all his assets and equipment to the another party, that is lessee, the exclusive rights to the use of his assets for an agreed period of time in the return to the payment of the rent. According to this Van, he says lease, it is one kind of contract where the lessor grants all his assets and equipments to the another party, that is lessee, for a certain agreed period of time. Afterward he may pay the return to the payment of the return. That is called as according to Van Horn. Next, we will study what are the features and characteristics of leasing. For the first characteristics is parties. First feature of this leasing is parties. Of course, in this leasing there are two parties to the contract, to the leasing finance. Okay, in leasing, namely there will be two parties to the contract in the leasing, means the owner and the user, called the lessor and the lessee. Okay, usually there will be two parties to the contract in leasing, that is lessor and one more is lessee. Lessor means owner, lessee means who use the assets and equipments of the lessor, that is called lessor and lessee means parties. Okay, next we will study in leasing whatever the assets will be given by the lessor to the lessee. Here the assets or equipments is subject to the matter of contract leasing. Okay, here assets and equipments is the first and most subject matter of the contract in the leasing finance. Okay, here the assets may be automobile plant, it may be automobile plant or machinery, plant or machineries, or land and building equipments, it may be land or building, it may be factory, or it may be a running business, it may be aircraft, so on. The asset must however be the lesser choice, means it depends upon the lesser choice which kind of these assets he want to use according to his suitable for the business needs. Okay, understood. Okay, for assets means what are the assets are in this leasing financing. It may be automobile, plant, machinery, land and building. These are the various assets, and these assets must however be the, it may be the lessee's choice which kind of assets or equipments he want to use for his business needs. Okay, next is separation of the ownership of its user. Okay, means here what happens, during the leasing period the ownership of the assets is with the lessor only, but it is processed and used by the lessee. On the expiry of the lease tenure, the assets possession is given back to the lessor. Separation of ownership, what happens, during the contract period the ownership of the assets will be of lessor, but according to it is used by the lessee. Afterwards, once the contract period has been expire, means expire, or the tenure business expire, means all the assets and equipments it will be given back to the lessor. That is called as separation of the ownership. Means here the separation of the ownership is transferred for a certain period of time, it may be 1 year or 2 years. That is called as separation of ownership from it user. Once the contract is over, means all the assets and equipment should be given back to the lessor. That is called as separation of ownership. Next is period of lease. Okay, what will the term of lease will be here. Okay, here it says every lease has a definite period, means every lease contract has a definite period. The lease period may stretch over to the economic life. Okay, this contract may be to the economic life of the assets, that is called as financial lease, or for a shorter period of time useful operating lease. See, period of lease means the assets and equipments can be used for the economic life, for that we call as financial lease, and the assets for a short term period we use for it is called as operating lease. So here financial lease means it is extended for whole economic life of the assets, means it may be can use for 10 years or 15 years, it may be used for longer period of time. In financial lease, the lease contract, so the lease period will be for maximum number of years, means it may be 10 years or 15 years. Okay, in this financial lease, whatever the assets we can use is the assets for a longer period of 10 to 15 years we can use, like ships we can use, we have examples like ships, we can use aircrafts, and we have land and building, or we have heavy machineries or diesel generating diesel generating assets. So these are the examples in financial lease. Means usually land and building we can use for 10 to 15 years period, or it may be for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. For that we call as financial lease. Hope you understood. Financial lease means which is used for whole economic life. It may be for 5 years, 10 years, or 15 years. The example we use for in financial assets, like we have ships, aircrafts, land and building, heavy machineries, or diesel generating. Next comes we have operating lease. Operating lease is for shorter period than the economic life of the assets. Okay, in some cases this operating lease, it may be for hourly, it may be for hour, 1 hour, 2 hour, or 3 years, or it may be for daily, or it may be for weekly basis. So this lease is cancelable is either by party during the lease period. Okay, in operating lease the lease can be cancelled, the period can be cancelled because it may be for hourly, daily, weekly. But when you compare to the financial lease, the lease cannot be cancelled. Okay, these are the so the example of this operating lease, we have like hiring computers with operators, or we have hiring a taxi for a particular travel, which includes service of driver or possessions, like maintenance, fuel, immediate repairs, and so on. Or we have like providing mobile cranes with operators. So these are the examples of operating lease. Hope you understood. Okay, period lease means we have two types. One is financial lease. Okay, one we have financial lease and we have operating lease. Financial lease means which we can use for 5 years, 10 years, or 15 years. Okay, example I have told: ships, land and building, aircraft. Operating lease means it is for shorter period, it may be for daily, hourly, weekly. Examples like I have told: hiring for computers with operators, or hiring a taxis, or providing mobile cranes with operators. Okay, next comes lease rent. Okay, here it says the consideration which lease pays to the lessor for the lease transaction is called lease rental. Okay, the consideration means the amount which he pays for the lessor for lease transaction is called lease rental. The lease rental are so fixed to compensate the lessor for which he has made investment in the assets. It may be to cover the depreciations or the interest which has made investments. Sometimes the machines or assets, it may come for repairs, or he had made some insurance, etc., borne by the lessors, and servicing charge over the lease period. Next comes termination of lease. Termination of the lease is terminated at the end of the lease period. Okay, the terminations means when the contract is cancelled, it will become at the end of the lease period, and after termination of lease, it is possible if suppose the 5 years agreement has been made, all the 5 years agreement has been made. At that time, there will be certain conditions. The lessee can renew his agreement or contract. Second, all the assets and equipments is given back to the lessor. Or what happens, immediately the lessor sells the assets to the third party, because all assets here has been used. Sometimes he can sell all the assets, or otherwise, instead of selling to the third party, the lessor sells assets to the lessee only. Okay, these are the termination of loss. Termination of lease. Suppose a 5 years agreement or contract has been made. Suppose he may can renew that lease, he may can extend the lease, or he may can give the assets given back to the lessor, or the lessor sells assets to the third party, or he can sell to the lessee. So this was the meaning and characteristics of features of leasing.